Hey, here's your friendly reminder. St. Patrick's Day is this weekend, so don't let it slide by without adding a touch of green to your menu. And there's one iconic cereal that basically begs for a spot at the St. Patrick's Day table. We are not just stopping, though, at Lucky Charms and Milk. Dina Driggs is taking the magically delicious marshmallows all the way to dessert. Finish line, if you're gonna go green, you say, be a Rice Krispie square.
Okay, are these the most fun things ever?
Well, I didn't know you could just get green.
Okay, you can find these at Sam's. They come with 2 packages. You open them up, and of course, inside is just the marshmallows. So you can hurry and do Lucky Charms regular, or you could do Rice Krispie Treats, but look inside
with
this.
Just the marshmallows?
I know.
Okay, because I did order, there's a big bag on Amazon you can get that I made part of our family hot cocoa bar, but it wasn't the name brand.
That's okay.
It was a knockoff. So how fun is that?
I know. It's really fun. And these are just Rice Krispie Treats that you make all the time with your family.
How do you make yours? I always like to check a recipe. Just same?
The more melted marshmallows, the better.
Okay.
That's what I say.
Okay.
So this has inside of it, it's got down on the bottom some Rice Krispie Treats. You can barely even see them because we've covered them up with Lucky Charms. I like a little marshmallow in mine.
Oh, there you go.
You don't have to, and then you just make your regular sauce.
Yep.
Pour it all in. And of course, then you just stir and stir and stir and
Isn't
stir.
it awesome to have a no-fail like this, a classic that wins every single time, only this time more marshmallow all the way around.
Yes.
You did a little drizzle and sprinkle touch on top.
Okay, so I just think you can just make them regular into a large pan and just have them, and everybody loves these. And they're really fun at any kind of dinner that you do or any kind of treat. You can send these to a birthday party.
This is magic, the way everything's staying in your bowl. That doesn't happen to me no matter how big the bowl.
Well, you know, some people have talent.
I mean, no, I'm serious. You're like containing this with every spoon over. It's amazing. It's quite awesome to watch.
Okay, but the fun thing is,
what?
I know that your hands are probably not as clean as mine because I've just washed mine, but do you want to take some or no?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, we're going to take some butter.
What are we doing?
You are going to squish it in your fingers.
Yeah?
Okay. And then the fun thing, this is a trick that my mom showed me.
Oh.
And I have loved it forever.
Okay.
And a lot of people don't know this.
All right, what am I doing?
Okay, you just got it in your finger, and now you're gonna push down on this.
With my, with this. Oh, I'm greasing my hands.
Yes.
I thought there was some ingredient going into this.
Yes.
Oh, look at that, and it doesn't stick as much. Okay, what's your mom's name?
I know, my mom's name's Joyce.
Joyce, thank you for teaching us all that trick today. Don't you like how I just do what people tell me and I don't ask questions until it's too late?
You're the best, Brooke.
Oh my
That's all I can
gosh,
say. You're
part
the
of the
best.
job. Okay, I'm gonna be making these. My kids will love it. Thank you so much.